Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Zero to Hero series of Robo Thoughts once again. And this is the series basically for knowing and learning Python coding from scratch, from a ground zero level using Jetson Nano single board computers. Alright guys, so we are at lesson number 69 and I'm going to show you how to multiply a tuple in Python. All right, so let's take an example. Let me share my screen, and I have already logged into my Jetson Nano. There you go. Right, I am on my terminal. Let me open the existing file, nano tuple.py. This code is from our previous example, so let me delete it. Let me create a new one. Let's say bike equal to, what are the different kind of bikes are available? Honda. Always use double quote guys, double quote and then a separator comma. Honda, and then Suzuki with a double quote open and close, and then let's create Harley. Okay, now let me close the bracket. Now you are going to create your own tuple and you want to multiply it, so let's name it my tuple. You can give any name guys. My tuple equal to bike into 2 or 3 or 4, how many ever times you want. That's where you are going to multiply the tuple from the list. All right, now let's say print my tuple. Okay, let's see if this works. Control O to save the file, enter, Control X to exit and get into the terminal of Jetson Nano. Now let me execute the Python file, python3 tuple.py. Boom, can you see that? Can you see that guys? It's as simple as that. It's again twice. Can you see? It's the output. What you got is Honda, Suzuki, Harley. Yeah, it's as simple as that guys. Same way, in the same way you can also do multiple, you can start using multiple operators, but it's little tricky. I'm going to show you how to do that one by one. There is also another method to use multiple operators within a square bracket and you extract the value. I'm going to show you, that's a little bit advanced. So this is the basic, right? So now you understand how to multiply a tuple within the range. You can also add a range into this. Anyways guys, I hope you like this video, and do please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do leave a comment and I will reply to you if you have any questions. Feel free. Thank you. Bye bye.